maybe. Ooh. There we go. The key's still a little, a little sticky. I think I'll pull the cylinder back out and lube it up. Need to get some dry lube. I don't want to put anything wet in there and attract dust. See if I can pull this out one-handed. I'll show you guys. Maybe. Come on. Work with me here. Pain in the butt. There we go. Turn it all the way to the left and a little wiggle wiggle. Ta-da! Need to lube this up. And going back in, you don't need the wire, or in my case the Allen wrench. Just need to get it to line out. And then once it's in, pops right back into accessory.